This is the complete guide to Perplexity Pages, the feature that turns AI-powered research into a published, sourced web article in one click. By the end of this video you will know exactly what Pages can do, how to build a great research thread before creating a page, how to use every format and setting, who it is for, what the pricing looks like, and how it compares to everything else. Let's start. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that answers questions with sourced, cited responses rather than a list of links. Unlike Google, which shows you where to find information, Perplexity synthesizes information from multiple sources and gives you a direct answer with references showing exactly where it came from. It launched in 2022 and is one of the fastest-growing AI tools globally. You can ask follow-up questions in the same thread, building a progressively deeper research session. Quick Search is fast and lightweight. Pro Search goes deeper with more thorough analysis. Deep Research takes a few minutes and produces a comprehensive report. Perplexity Pages builds on top of all of these research modes. Perplexity Pages extends research into publishing. After doing your research, asking follow-up questions, exploring a topic deeply, you convert that research session into a formatted web article anyone can read, share, and reference. All sources are cited inline automatically. The public URL works without a Perplexity login. Pages are editable after publishing, your shared link always shows the latest version. You choose from article, report, or guide format. Pages are indexed by search engines, so they can appear in Google results. And Pages are free, available on every plan including the free tier. Let me walk through every feature. One-click creation from any research thread, no copy-pasting. AI structures the layout automatically, it figures out sections and headers from your research content. Every claim links back to its source inline, automatically. 3-page formats, article is best for news and analysis, report suits research summaries and business documents, guide works for how-to and tutorial content. Cover images are auto-generated but you can upload your own. The public URL works for anyone, no Perplexity account needed to read. You can edit anytime, the link always shows the most recent version. And Pages are indexed by search engines, which adds a real distribution dimension for content creators. Here is the exact step-by-step process. Step 1, go to Perplexity.ai and create a free account. Pages are available on all plans. Step 2, research your topic thoroughly. Ask your main question, then ask follow-up questions covering each key subtopic. Ask for data. Ask for expert perspectives. Ask for counterarguments. The more comprehensive your thread, the better your page. Step 3, click the Share button at the top of your research thread. Step 4, select Create Page. Perplexity generates a structured article in 10 to 30 seconds. Step 5, choose your format: article, report, or guide. Step 6, customize the cover image if you want and review the generated sections. You can reorder or remove them. Step 7, click Publish. Your page is live immediately with a shareable link that works without any login. The quality of your page depends entirely on the quality of your research thread. Here is the framework to follow. Start with your main question to establish the topic and framing. Then ask separate questions on each major subtopic, cover the topic from every important angle. Ask specifically for data and statistics, pages with real numbers are far more credible and shareable. Ask what experts and researchers say about the topic. Ask for the counterarguments and criticisms, balanced pages are more trustworthy and get shared more. Ask about recent developments to keep the content current. And always end with a practical question: what should the reader actually do or take away from this? This gives your page an actionable conclusion rather than just ending with more information. Perplexity Pages offers 3 structural formats. Choosing the right one matters. Article format is best for news, analysis, and research summaries, anything you would normally publish on a blog or newsletter. Report format suits formal business documents, competitor analysis, research briefs, market overviews. The layout is more structured with clearly delineated sections and a data focus. Guide format works for how-to content and tutorials, anything that teaches a process or skill step by step. The simple decision rule: if you would write it in a Word document, choose Report. If you would publish it on a blog, choose Article. If it teaches someone how to do something, choose Guide. You can preview all three before you publish, so try each one. One of Pages' most underappreciated features is editability after publishing. Your public link stays the same, but the content updates live. This means a page can serve as a living document. You publish it, share the link, and as the topic evolves, you update it. Anyone who bookmarked your link always sees the latest version automatically. You can add new sections by prompting Perplexity with additional research and incorporating the new content into the page. You can even change the format after publishing if you want a different structure. For research that develops over time, competitive analysis, market research, evolving topics, this is genuinely valuable. One link. Continuously improving content. No broken URLs. Who should be using Perplexity Pages? Students and researchers producing summaries to share with classmates or present to supervisors without needing to format a formal document. Content creators publishing sourced articles faster than any other workflow. Business professionals creating quick research briefs for clients or colleagues. Consultants and agencies documenting competitive analysis and market research. Newsletter writers using Pages as the research backbone for their issues. Marketing teams building documented research for social proof and campaigns. Essentially anyone who does regular research and wants a better way to share it. If you are currently emailing Google Docs or sharing messy browser tabs, Pages is a significantly better alternative. Concrete use cases. Student research projects: research a topic in Perplexity, publish the page, share the link in your assignment. All sources are already cited. Competitive analysis: research 5 competitors, create one structured page with all findings in one document. Client research briefs: what used to take 2 hours of formatting now takes 20 minutes with Perplexity. Product launch background documents: market research for stakeholders in a professional shareable format. Event research documents: background reading for conference attendees. Newsletter backing: thorough sourced research that supports each article. SEO content: well-researched pages on specific topics that Google can index and rank. And living reference documents on ongoing topics that you update as the situation evolves. Perplexity pages are indexed by search engines. This means a well-researched page on a specific topic can appear in Google search results and drive organic traffic. The structured headings and inline citations are naturally good for SEO. Each page gets a clean perplexity.ai/page URL. For content creators and businesses, this adds a genuine distribution dimension to the tool beyond just sharing links internally. I would not position it as a full SEO strategy replacement, but as a fast and effective way to create indexable, sourced content on specific topics your audience is already searching for. Browse the Pages gallery at perplexity.ai/pages to see what topics other creators are covering and how they structure them. How does Pages compare to everything else? Versus Medium: Pages are significantly faster with sources built in, but Medium has better content discovery and an existing audience. Versus Substack: Pages are for research publishing, Substack is for building a newsletter audience. Different purposes. Versus Notion: Pages are public by default and sourced, Notion is a private workspace first. Versus Google Docs: Pages are web native with no sharing configuration needed, but Docs is better for collaboration with tracked changes. Versus a blog post: Pages are roughly 10 times faster to produce with citations automatically included, but a blog gives you more design control and platform ownership. The honest summary: Pages wins on speed and sourcing. Everything else wins on audience reach and platform features. Use Pages when speed and credibility matter more than design. Pricing. Pages are available on every Perplexity plan, including the free tier. The free plan gives you access to pages with a limit on your daily AI searches. You can create and publish pages without paying anything. Perplexity Pro is $20 a month. It gives you 600 or more pro searches per day, access to deeper research modes including deep research, and all available AI models including the most capable ones. Pro searches produce significantly richer research threads which translate directly into better pages. Enterprise Pro is $40 per month and adds team features, SSO, and advanced admin controls. My recommendation: start on the free tier to learn the workflow. If you are creating pages regularly and want deeper research quality, Pro at $20 is genuinely worth it. 7 Pro Tips to get the most out of pages. 1. Use deep research mode before creating a page. Deeper research produces richer, more structured output. 2. Ask at least 7 to 10 follow-up questions before hitting create page. Breadth of the thread matters enormously. 3. Target specific topics. A page about AI tools for real estate agents will perform better than a generic AI tools page. 4. Update regularly and reshare the same link. Your audience will return to content that stays current. 5. Embed pages in newsletters as read more links. They make excellent deep dive companions to shorter newsletter pieces. 6. Always verify key claims and statistics yourself. AI is generally accurate but not infallible. 7. Browse the pages gallery at perplexity.ai/pages for inspiration on topics and formats. Here is everything you need. Go to perplexity.ai and create a free account. Pages are included on every plan including free. Browse the pages gallery at perplexity.ai/pages to see real examples of what others are creating. If you want deeper research and better pages, Perplexity Pro is at perplexity.ai/pro. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every AI tool that matters every week. Now go publish something. See you in the next one.